Hi guys, it's me, Vacuum Sims here, and today I have a YouTube video on this Bissell Rewind Premier Pet. So I am going to be vacuuming grass with it. That'll make a fun video. Who needs a lawnmower when you can use a vacuum cleaner? And believe it or not, it's actually very effective. It takes a long time, but the bin gets full of grass. Got clogged a little bit there. Oh, got a chunk. Oh. It's unplugged. I got it unplugged. Whoops. Wow, look at all that. Let's bring this up on the porch and we'll suck it back up. As in like a mess test, except with grass. Okay, so here we have a big pile of grass and some dirt. Look at all this grass. That was all taken up from the ground. I mean, it was harmfully took up from the ground, but it was took up from the ground nonetheless. I hear the baby kittens. We have kittens. I'll show you one here in a minute when I'm actually done with the video. Vacuuming up sod or lawn. I think it's the same thing. my favorite part. Yeah, it's a quarter rewind. HEPA filter. I think it's like a HEPA filter. Bissell Style 7. I like that. That's a lot more convenient. Oh. Oh, that's not going too well. Oh, no. Give me a second. Don't worry, this thing will be clean until the end of the video. I think that flop, I don't know. Well, bye guys, and see you next time. And here's the big clop of dirt and everything it picked up. Also, don't mean to be rambling, but I got a tarp for my blaster. So, bye guys, and see you next time. Here's the kittens I told you guys I was going to show you. And they're actually Sparkies. You can tell because of the coloring. Come here. This one is Callie, because she is a calico cat. I know, I woke you up. It's okay. Fussy. And then the other one's called Zeb, because it's kind of like the colors of a zebra. Here. Get in there. There you go. Crazy. I know I'm shining a bright LED light in your home.